Let me show you how you can solve this number basis problem on the board. The question says, find n if 3, 4 in base n is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, 1 in base 2. If you want to solve this problem, the first thing you need to do is to convert both sides to base 10. And the question is, how do you do that? Let me show you how to convert to base 10. Here's the solution. To convert this to base 10, first of all, use this one to multiply this base. So we're going to have 3 times n. Then after that, you put plus, use this one and also multiply the base. 4 times n equal to, you do the same thing here. In this case, 2 is the base. So you use this to multiply the base, use this to multiply just like that until you use the last one. So this is 1 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 0 times 2 plus 1 times 2 plus the last one times 2. After you have done that, the next thing to do is to put powers on top of the base. For the left hand side, you start from the last base and give it the power of 0. Then as you proceed towards the left, the powers will be increasing by 1. You do the same thing here. So here we have power of 0 because the base is 2. So on the base, we put power of 0, the next one, power of 1, power of 2, 3, and 4. After you have done that, the next thing to do is to evaluate what we have. Now 3 is something else. This is 3 times n raised to the power of 1. Whenever a number is raised to the power of 1, the result is that same number. So n raised to the power of 1 is something as n. Then plus 4 times n raised to the power of 0. Anything raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So in place of n raised to the power of 0, I'm going to put 1. And equal to 1 times 2 raised to the power of 4 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 into 4 places, which is 16. In place of this, I'll put 16. And plus 0 times, in place of 2 raised to the power of 3, 2 times 2 times 2 into 3 places, which is 8. In place of this, I'll put 8. Plus 0 times 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4. Plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 1. Anything raised to the power of 1 is the same thing. Okay, so I'll put 2 here. Plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 0. Anything raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So in place of this, I put 1. Now, the next thing to do is to evaluate what we have. We'll start with the multiplication first. 3 times n will give us 3n. Then plus 4 times 1 is 4. Equal to 1 times 16 is 16. Plus 0 times 8 is 0. Plus 0 times 4 is 0. Plus 1 times 2 is 2. Plus 1 times 1 is 1. So here we have 3n plus 4 equal to, let's add this. 16 plus 0 is 16. Plus 0, 16. Plus 2, that's 18. Plus this. That will give us 19. The next thing to do is to collect like terms. This 4 has to move to this other side. And when that happens, it will change from plus 4 to minus 4. The sign will change to negative. So we become 3n equal to 19. If this one crosses, it becomes minus 4. So we have 3n equal to 19 minus 4, that's 15. I have 15 here. Now, we are looking for n, not 3n. So because of that, we are going to divide both sides by this 3 that is attached to this n. So we can divide both sides by 3. We have 3n equal to 15. You divide this side by 3 and also divide this by 3. Notice that this will cancel this. And we have n is equal to 15 divided by 3, that is 5. So this is the right answer to this problem. If you find this video helpful, please like this video, comment, and share so that it will get to other people who need this kind of video. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.